All right, so we are at Dollar General on a Monday, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna see what they have now. Yesterday they had like a couple juices, one cheese, and some coffee creamer. I don't know. This Dollar General manager is pretty good at pulling. I don't see her car, so I don't know if she pulled last night or if she is gonna pull today. So we're gonna just go in here and see what we could get if it's still here. Okay, and just to clarify, this is the Dollar General cooler freezer reset. So not all of them reset or go penny at the same time. Your miles may vary. Okay, and also keep track of which stores had already pennied. Okay, say hey.
Hey.
All right, I'm gonna go back and get a cart, y'all. It was just too hard. Is there any more back there? I need to check these. Is that the same? No, that's not the same, is it? So y'all, so far we only found these. Okay, I scanned the whole cooler section. I mean the entire cooler section, including the freezer stuff. All right, so look what's still here. These will penny out tomorrow, so I'm gonna come back for those. All right. Just trying to. So yeah, I believe I am going to most definitely come back to this store tomorrow because my daughter loved that pistachio pudding. Okay, and then these items here are going to penny out as well. Come on. Let's check out the clearance section. I always like to come to the clearance section just to see. What they got. Hopefully I can find some Christmas stragglers like the Christmas candles. Although I got them all, but sometimes when you think you got them all, you really didn't. Some makeup.
You don't get on the dog like that.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna scan some. There's a coupon for this in the app. Save $2.30, something like that. I might just go ahead and get this today because I don't see any more. So make sure you, Alyssa, get that out of your mouth, girl. Look and see, like, no, that's not one of the Christmas ones. Okay. Oh, look at the cute little Easter stuff, y'all. All right, so if you do like shopping videos or want to do Dollar General videos, when they put their stuff out, go ahead and take pictures of it with the UPC. And so when it does go on clearance, they start the clearance cycle, you'll already have it versus trying to scramble up photos later once they hit like 25%, 50%, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I'm sorry. I wonder, is today the day for the candle savings? I need to look. I don't really see anything. I already took the Christmas wall art. Let me double check. Yeah, I took, because it was all the way in the back. Listen, what you got there? Yeah, what I can't find is pans. I'm gonna scan all these pans. People find the pans. How come I can't find the pans? Which ones are they, y'all? I'm gonna scan them. I'll be back. Oh, are these part of it? Let me see. Yep, and those are, okay, what's these down here? I think all these will be. Let me see. I wonder if this is another one. I haven't seen those. What's this? $20.25. Oh, these are 25s. 25. Down here, Lily. So these are the new spring items. I'm just going in and looking at what year.
When I love you when you're walking. When I love you when you're walking. We the drum that stays.
Y'all, you are not gonna believe this. Guess what I found? You see it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Listen, say, oh my God.
We the dream that stick. When I love you when you hear her get.
So we did all right. My total was 64 cents, y'all. That is so awesome. However, I only found 5 or 6 of these. It said they have 20 in stock. So every year when they have the fridge reset, they always, if they have something in the back, because they do have coolers in the back as well. But it's only one lady here, so she didn't go back there and check for me.
Kenny?
No, I didn't get candy. That's lemonade. I can't believe I found these. I go to the store so many times. Put on your seatbelt so we can ride out. All right, so just now making it back home. Yes. So, yeah, we just found some pepperoni today. The juice that I saw was completely gone, and I was out there before they even opened. But we did find some pepperoni. A win is a win, honey. So 2, 3. Hold on, y'all. Oh, goodness. okay. So 5 of those. And then I'm surprised these pennied out with the summer items, y'all. The Sonic Lemonade Zero Sugar Drink Mix. This is the lime. So these were a penny. I found 3 of those. And then there's a coupon, save, what was it, $2.30? I don't know, $3.30. But altogether, I paid 64 cents, y'all. I will put a screenshot of my receipt. This is my penny haul for today. Y'all, the Christmas stuff supposed to be going down to a penny tomorrow. The store was loaded. You hear me? It was loaded with stuff I could use for my kids. They had the that pistachio pudding still out. I'm gonna go back to the store at 9:30 because they close at 10. So I'm gonna go back to that one at 9:30, and then another one that I go to all the time that never pulls. I'm gonna go to that store, be there at 9 because both of them close at 10. So I'll go up there to that store at 9, and another one I'll be there by 9:30. Y'all, so scout out your stores for tomorrow. Remember, there's 7-day savings or whatever. Look in your app and you can find that. But make sure you are keeping track of which stores penny, okay? So this is the second week, the second wave of a handful of stores going to penny on some of their items, okay? So, yeah. And this pepperoni is the turkey pepperoni, y'all. The turkey one. All right. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just love saving money, especially with items I'm going to use. Like, I'm not even going to donate these or give them away. We eat these, like, for real. These will probably be gone in a couple days. All right. So, yeah. Also, if you are in need of food, make sure you go online and you can check out Feed America. I think it's feedamerica.org, feedamerica.com, something. Don't be scared to do that. And in a lot of states and cities, they do offer hot meals during the day, okay? A lot of churches give out, groceries, their pantries. I'm just throwing it out there, not saying that you need it, but somebody may need it, and you never know when you're going to need it. So if you go on feedamerica.org or whatever the website is called, I'm going to put it down there. You're going to put in your state, your city, location, whatever, and then they're going to give you all the pantries or either, because some of them are pantries that you have to go in or whatever, and then some of them you stay in your car and they will put the food in your trunk, and then some of them are churches in the neighborhood that actually have great food. There is one, I want to say, is it Mobile? It's like a drive-through location. They give out great, awesome food, but you need to be there early, okay? So if they say, oh, it starts at, 9, be there at 8, okay? Like, be there at 8. And then there's still going to be a line, okay? There's a church, I forgot the name of the church, but they get groceries from like Publix, and they always have good stuff like chicken, shrimp, whatever. It don't even have to be stuff like that. If you need it and you have kids, if you're in need, don't be afraid. Now, if you're not in need, okay, leave it for someone else who needs it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Oh, see, I got it on my little candle holder here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Save that money, honey. Love you.